Everyone, I have a question. How many English words do you know? 1,000, 5,000, 10,000.
Ready?
Here is the
Ready?
shocking truth. Okay, you might know 10,000 word still cannot have a simple conversation. Okay, why does this happen? Because you fell into 200 word trap. Today I will show you exactly what this trap is. I will tell you most people learn English the wrong way, and by the end of this talk you will know the secret to speaking English without memorizing dictionary. You will learn how to use just 200 words to have a real conversation. Okay, are you ready to discover this secret? The problem everyone faces. Let me tell you about Aman. He is from India. Okay, he study English for 8 years. He know thousands of words. He can read English. He can read English book. He can write perfect email. So many things. He write perfect. But when he meet an English speaker, she freezes. She freezes. He cannot say one simple sentence. Okay. He cannot say one simple sentence. So does this sound similar? Aman is not alone. Millions of people around the world have the same problem. The collect word like a stamp, but they cannot use them in the real life. Okay, this is the 200 word trap. What is the 200 word trap? The 200 word trap. Word like this. You think you need to know word to speak English. Okay. So you study word list. You memorizing vocabulary books. You learn 10 new word every day. But here is the what happened. You focus so much so much on collecting word that you forget to practice using them. Okay, you become a word collector, not a word user. Think about it this way. A chef does not need to know every ingredient in the world. A good chef know how to use basic ingredient well. The same way, the same the same is true for English. Okay, the same is true for English. Do you you do not need to know every word. You need to know how to use basic word well. Okay, you need to know the science behind simple word. Scientists study how native English speaker talk. They found something amazing. Native speaker use only 1,000 to 1,500 different words in the daily conversation. But here is the real surprise. The top 200 word make up 65% of all spoken English. Let me repeated that. Okay, just 200 words cover 65% of everything you will ever say in English. This means you can have meaningful conversation with just 200 words. But most English learner ignore these basic words. They they change difficult difficult with difficult. They change difficult word instead. They want to sound smart. They want to sound क्या कहते हैं? Smart. But native speaker use simple word every day. Every day. Native speaker use simple word every day. Why simple word are powerful? Simple word like building books, building blocks. Okay, books like blocks, building blocks. You can combine them in many way. Okay, for example, take the word get. Get is a simple word. Get is a simple word, but you can use it in thousands of way. Get up, get down, get in, get out, get ready, get started, get better. One simple word, many usage. Okay, this is the power of basic vocabulary. Native speaker love simple word because they are flexible. They can express complex ideas with simple word. You can do this. You can do. You can do the same. The real secret to English fluency. Now I will share the real secret. Fluency is not about knowing many words. Fluency is about using simple word quickly and naturally. Think about a baby learning to talk. A baby does not memorizing dictionary. Okay, baby does not memorizing dictionary. You know about that? A baby learn by using the same word over and over and over. Okay, mama, dada. You every time listen more. No, these simple word become automatic. The baby can use them without thinking. This is exactly what you need. What you need to know. Need to do this. Okay. Make simple word automatic. Up use them so much. Much, but they become part of you. How to escape the 200 word trap? Here you escape plan first. Stop collecting new words. Okay, I know this sound is crazy, but trust me on this second. Choose 200 basic word, focus only these word. Third, practice using these word in sentence. Make them automatic. Fourth, combine these word in different way. If you these word use different way, you can say simply. Okay, simple is powerful. The 200 word formula, let me give you the exact formula. Take 100 nouns. These are things you can see and touch. House, car, book, food. Take 100 verb. These are action word. Go, come, go, come, see, hear, think, take. 100 adjective and other word. This describe thing. Good, bad, big, small, happy. Now you have 200 word. With these word, you can say almost anything. You can talk about your day. You can share your feeling. You can ask question. You can tell stories. Real example of simple power. Let me show you how powerful simple word are. Here is a complex Here is a complex sentence. I am experiencing tremendous difficulty comprehending comprehending this information. Here is the same idea with the simple word. I don't understand this. Which one is better? Which one is better? The simple one. It's clear. It's fast. It's natural. Native speaker prefer simple word. They use them because they work. You should do the same. The practice method that work here is how to practice your 200 word. Every morning pick 5 word. Every morning pick 5 word and pick 5 word from your list. Okay, make 10 sentences with each word. Say these sentence out loud. Okay, out loud. Do this for 15 minutes. By the end of 1 month, these words will be automatic. You will use them without thinking. Okay, this is much better than memorizing. 100 new word. Quality beats quantity every time. Why most people fail? Most people fail because they want to sound impressive. They learn big word to show up. But communication is not about showing off. Communication is about sharing ideas clearly. Okay, big word often confuse people. Okay, big word often confuse people. A simple word connect people. Okay, choose connection over impression. Okay, choose clarity over sorry for that complexity. The confidence factor here is another secret. When you use simple word well, you feel confident. You know you can express your ideas. You don't worry about forgetting word. You already know them perfectly. Okay, the this confidence so this confidence so when you speak people listen to confident speakers. They trust speaker who use clear simple language. Okay, your action plan here is what you should do. Starting today, stop buying vocabulary books. Stop memorizing word list. Okay, instead find your 3 or 200 word. You can search online for most English word. Print this list. Put put it on your email, on your wall. Suppose that on your wall. Practice these words every day. Use them in sentence. Use them in sentence. Speak with them. Make them part of you. The 30-day challenge. I challenge you to try this for 30 days. For the next 30 days, don't learn any new word. Only practice your 300 or 200 word basic. Use them in a conversation. Write with them. Think with them. After 30 days, you will be surprised. You will speak more fluently. You will feel more confident. You will communication better. The truth about native speaker
here is something most people do not know native speaker. Okay, do not try to use this difficulty word. They use whatever word work best. Most of the time, most of the time, most of the time, these are simple word. They say big instead of enormous, enormous. Okay, they say good instead of excellent. They say bad instead of terrible. Simple word are the simple word are their first choice. Make them your first choice too. Breaking free from the 200 word trap. Okay, 200 word trap is real. It catches millions of English learner. Okay, catches millions of English learner, but no, no, you know you the truth. Okay, you know that simple word are powerful. Simple word are powerful. You know that 2000 word can change your life. Okay, can change your life. You know how to practice them. How to practice them. You know how to use them. The question is, will you do it? Will you do it? Will you stop collecting words and starting using them? Will you choose simple over example? You will you focus? Will you focus on 200 word that matter? Your English journey start now. Remember, Aman from the beginning. Aman from the beginning. He learned about the 200 word trap. The stop it memorizing dictionary. He focused on 200 word, 200 basic word. Okay, the practice them every day. Now he speak English confidently. He has conversation with native speaker. He uses simple words to express complex ideas. Okay, complex ideas. You can do the same. You your English journey does not have to difficult. Okay, it can simple. It can be effective. It can be fun. The final truth here is the final truth. Here is the final truth about English learning. You do not need to know everything. Okay, you do not need to know everything. You just need to know English. Okay, 200 word is enough. 200 word is enough. 200 word is most powerful. No, change your life. Stop falling into the word trap. Start using these words. Start speaking English today. Your voice matters. Your voice matter. Your ideas matter. You can share with them just 200 words. The powerful is the waiting to hear what you have to say. Say it simple. Say it clear. Say it with confidence. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget them. Okay? Thank you.